Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Corey, and this is Get Sharp. Today is one of the best days ever. More to come on that. This is a Santoku, kind of. I don't know if you can see that from there, but this thing's got heel droop, worse than a bad divorce. 5 knives in the kitchen set, 4 down, 1 to go. Come on in, let's go ahead and start working on the geometry of this thing. Well, there you go. We got a bit of heel droop going on here. We're gonna go ahead and correct that. We're gonna bring that up a bit and bring back the original geometry to this Santoku. I love the shape. I think we nailed it there. I don't love all these scratches though. Man, this has more scratches than I had as a kid growing up with a cat named Leo. He was half, I forget, he was half bobcat, half something else. I just remember the bobcat part. Man, he used to mess me up. Anyways, let's hit it with this machine here and see what happens. I just realized I accidentally covered the stop switch with that other wheel. That was not smart. Won't be doing that again. Something goes wrong, you want to be able to hit that thing in a jiffy. You know, I can still see all the other scratches, but it did just do enough to kind of actually a little bit impressed by, how do you explain it? It's like putting foundation on. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't wear makeup. I just made that up. I don't know how to describe it, but it definitely worked. I'm gonna do a couple more passes and then let's get to grinding. Stick around a couple more minutes and you'll see my before and after photos at the end of this video. They're pretty cool, so you'll wanna see those. Well, we completely reprofiled this blade. Look at that. It's rocking again. That drunken, drooped heel never happened. Sharpness, damn near razor sharp. Close to 100 on the best sharpness scale. Most important, this apex is built to last, and here's why. During the grinding process, we're manipulating the steel. It's getting softened and it's being pushed around. One side it's getting pushed this way, other side it's getting pushed the other way. Kind of like when you're trying to break a paper clip, right? You don't want to build an apex on top of that damaged soft plastic steel. So we use different angles and we build an apex on the hard core structure of the steel in this knife. This edge, this apex, it's built to last. Quick shout out to Ray, Matt, and Austin. Thank you guys. We're over here on the Get Sharp Discord working to build the ultimate sharpening database, completely open source, no paywalls, no fees, it's free. You have a question? It works a lot like Google. And maybe you want to learn something about CVN or diamond wheels. You type that into the search bar and it's going to show you all the relative conversations people have had in there on that subject, and you can jump to those conversations. Or maybe you type something in there and no one's had that conversation about that subject yet. You jump over to the questions channel, pose your question, and then boom, a bunch of pro sharpeners are ready to engage with you in real time. How cool is that, right? Best part, no paywall, no gatekeeping knowledge here. It's free. And I'll see you at the Get Sharp Discord. Enjoy these photos.